Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are going to solve the remaining parts of question number 3, exercise 1.1. Let's have a start. Question number 3, part number 6. Here coefficient of x square is already 1. So we will x square minus 2x. We will move this minus 195 to the right hand side, 195. Here coefficient of x is minus 2. Coefficient of x is 2. So we will multiply 1 by 2 into 2. 2 into here is 1. So we'll add on both sides the square of 1. X square minus 2x plus 1 square is equal to 195 plus 1 square. Okay, here x square minus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 195 plus 1. Here it is a square minus 2ab plus 1 is x minus 1 whole square is equal to 196. X minus 1 will take 13 square. We will take square root on both sides. X minus 1 here, it's 14, not 13, it's 14. 14 square is equal to 14 square will take square root on both sides. Okay, is x minus 1 is equal to plus minus 14. Okay, x minus 1 is equal to 14. X minus 1 is equal to minus 14. X is equal to 14 plus 1 and x is equal to minus 14 plus 1. Here x is equal to 15 and x is equal to minus 13. This one is 15 and 13 is the solution set of this equation. Let's have a start with question number 3, part number 7. Okay, here coefficient of x square is already 1, but we will rearrange it. Rearrange here 7 over 2x plus x square is equal to 15 over 2. Here we can write it x square plus 7 over 2x is equal to 15 over 2. Coefficient of x, we will multiply coefficient of x with 1 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2. Okay, so it is 7 by 4. We will add on both sides is 7 by 4 square. X square plus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 square is equal to 15 over 2 plus 7 by 4 square. Okay, now this one is x square plus 2 into x into 7 by 4 plus 7 by 4 square is equal to 15 over 2 plus 49 over 16. Okay, this one is a square plus 2ab plus b square. This one is x plus 7 over 4 whole square is equal to, here it is 16, 120 plus 49. Okay, this one is x plus 7 over 4 square is equal to 169 over 16. Here x plus 7 over 4 square is equal to 13 over 4 whole square. We will take square root on both sides. X plus 7 over 4 square is equal to plus minus 13 over 4 square. Okay, this one is x plus 7 over 4 is equal to plus minus 13 over 4. This x plus 7 over 4 is equal to 13 over 4, and x plus 7 over 4 is equal to minus 13 over 4. Here x is equal to 13 over 4 minus 7 over 4. Here x is equal to minus 13 over 4 minus 7 over 4. We'll take LCM. Here 13 minus 7, and x is equal to 4 minus 13 minus 7. Here x is equal to 6 over 4, and x is equal to minus 20 over 4. 4, 5. 2 2s are 3, 3 by 2. Here 3 by 2 and minus 5 are the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards part 8. Okay, here coefficient of x square is already 1, so no need for this one. X square plus 17x is equal to, move minus 33, plus 33 over 4 on right hand side. This will be 4. Okay, the coefficient of x is 17, so we'll multiply 17 into 1 over 2, so it will be 17 by 2, adding 17 by 2 on both sides. 17 over 2 square equal to minus 33 over 4 plus 17 over 2 square. Okay, this one is x square plus 2 into x into 17 over 2 plus 17 over 2 square is equal to minus 33 over 4 plus 189 is 289 over 4. Okay, here it will be the x plus 17 over 2 whole square is equal to, we will take LCM, 4. Here minus 33 plus 289. Here x plus 17 over 2 square is equal to 256 over 4. So 256 over 4 is x plus 17 over 2 whole square is equal to 16 over 4 whole square. Okay, we'll take square root on both sides. So take 16 over 2. So we'll take square root on both sides, is equal to plus minus 16 over 2 whole square under root. It will be the x plus 17 over 2 is equal to plus minus 16 over 2. Here x plus 17 over 2 is equal to 16 over 2, and x plus 17 over 2 is equal to minus 16 over 2. X is equal to 16 over 2 minus 17 over 2, and x is equal to minus 16 over 2 minus 17 over 2. Here x is equal to 1 over 2, and x is equal to minus 16 minus 17 over 2. This one x is 1 over 2, and x is equal to minus 33 over 2. So this one is the 1 over 2 and minus 33 over 2 are the solution set of minus 33 over 2 or the here it is minus. Okay, this one is minus 1 over 2. Solution set minus 1 over 2 and minus 33 over 2 is the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move toward part number 8. Now we will move toward parts number 9. Here 4 is equal to 3x square plus 5 over 3x plus 1. This minus 8, it will be moved to the right hand side. It will become 3x plus 1. 4 can also be written as 4 over 1. Okay, so 4 over 1 is equal to, we'll take the LCM here, 3x plus 1. Okay, this one 3x square plus 5 plus 8. Okay, this one 4 over 1 is equal to 3x square plus 13 over 3x plus 1. We'll use cross multiplication method. Here 4 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 3x square plus 13. 1 multiplied by this complete. So 12x plus 4 is equal to 3x square plus 13. So 3x square plus 13 minus 12x minus 4 is equal to 0. Here 3x square minus 12x plus 9 is equal to 0. The coefficient of x square is 3. It should be 1. So we'll divide each term by 3. So here 3 over 3x square minus 12 over 3x plus 9 over 3 is equal to 0. 3 3s are cancelled here, 3 4s are 3 3s are 9. So it will be x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x square minus 4x will move plus 3 on the right hand side, it will be minus 3. So coefficient of x is 4, will multiply 4 into 1 by 2. 2s are 4. So we will add x square minus 4x plus 2 square on both sides, minus 3 plus 2 square. Here x square minus 2 into x into 2 plus 2 square is equal to minus 3 plus 4. So it will be x minus 2 whole square, and this one is the 1. 1 can also be written it as 1 square. We'll take square root. We'll take square root on both sides. X minus 2 square is equal to plus minus 1 square root. So it will be x minus 2 is equal to plus minus 1. So x minus 2 is equal to 1 and x minus 2 is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 1 plus 2 and x is equal to minus 1 plus 2. Here x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1. So this 3 and 1 are the solution set of this equation. Now we'll move towards 10th part, last part of question number 3. Here we will convert it into the standard form, means a square plus b square plus ax plus b, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a plus b whole square, x square plus 4a square plus 4ax, okay, plus 3a square is equal to, we'll multiply this one 5a, sorry, this one is 35ax plus 15a square. Okay, this one 7x square plus 28a square plus 28ax plus 3a square is equal to 35ax plus 15a square. Okay, so here 17x square plus 28a square. Sorry, here it is not 3a, it's 23a. So we will here 23a. Okay, so we'll here it is a mistake. It's 115a square, 115a square. Okay, so 28a square plus 28ax plus 3a square minus 35ax minus 115a square is equal to 0. This one 7x square, here minus 28 minus 7ax plus this one 28 plus minus 84 a square is equal to 0. Okay, now here x square, the coefficient of x square should be 1, so we'll divide complete each term by 7. So 7 over 7, here 7 over 7 x square minus 7a over 7x minus 84 over 7 a square is equal to 0. This one 12. Okay, now it will be the x square minus ax minus 12 a square is equal to 0. Now we'll move toward the solution. X square minus ax, it's better that will move minus 12 to the right hand side, 12a square. Okay, what is the coefficient of x is a, so we'll multiply a into 1 by 2, so it is a by 2, so we will add square of a by 2 on both sides. This x square minus ax plus a over 2 square is equal to 12 a square plus a over 2 whole square. Okay, so we can here x square minus 2 into x into a by 2, sorry, a over 2 minus a over 2 square is equal to, sorry, plus a over 2, here 12a square over 1 plus a square over 4. This one is x minus a over 2 whole square. This one will take LCM 4. This 12a square plus here 48, sorry, here 48 a square plus a square, here x minus a over 2 whole square is equal to 49 a square over 4. Okay, so x minus a over 2 square is equal to 7a over 2. Whole square will take square root on both sides. X minus a over 2 square, this one, plus minus 7a over 2. Okay, so this one will be x minus a over 2 is equal to plus minus 7a over 2. X minus a over 2 is equal to 7a over 2 into x minus a over 2 is equal to minus 7a over 2. This x1 is 7a over 2 plus a over 2. This x is equal to minus 7a over 2 plus a over 2. So x is equal to 2, 8a. This x over 2 is 2 minus 6a. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So this one x is equal to 4a and x is equal to minus 3a. So the solution set is 4a and minus 3a. This 4a and minus 3 are the solution set of this equation. In our next lecture we will solve exercise 1.2. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.